Hi, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here, and today I'm going to fly my FMS P-47, and I'm at the Coshocton County Cloud Climbers annual fun fly, and we got a few other people flying, but I'm going to get this thing in the air and see how I can do. I'm going to take off right to left, okay? All right, we're going to take off right to left. Let's go one click on the flaps. That'll cut off. Gear going up. We got almost no wind at all, but there is just a slight bit coming from the left. That's why I took off that way, but we are doing a racetrack pattern. And the P-47, I've had it up once already, and it is flying really nicely. Here we go, low pass. All right, they called landing down here. Let's do a loop. When I was flying this just a second ago, I was a little bit nervous and I was shaking just a touch. And I think I got it out of my system. Being one of my absolute favorite airplanes, I did feel a couple sprinkles, so this could turn into a short flight, but we'll see. So I drove a couple hours to get to this fun fly. I was wanting something to do this Saturday, and this is what showed up on the AMA's event calendar. There was a couple other events, but I think they were scale events, and I just wanted to do a little fun flying. So I had a couple of cheeseburgers. They were really good. So this might become one of the events that I go to every year. See if we can pull off a knife edge here. Not too bad. A little cheating. I'll pull it over the top and roll it. Only got the 2 tanks on the wings today. Left the tubes and the center tank off. I tried to get out and fly. I was going to fly the Cirrus yesterday, but I got there and it started raining as soon as I got to the church parking lot. So I put it back in the garage. If I get time when I get home, I'll get a flight with it too. But I wanted to get a flight posted for you guys, and so thought I'd record this flight today at the event. It's kind of nice to have a nice big runway for takeoffs and landings. And these guys have left plenty of time in the air to myself, so that's awesome too. I did bring my Arrows Avante with me, so I can get a flight with it too maybe, and we'll see if I'll record it. But I only brought one battery, and if anything goes wrong, you might not see that video, but I'm going to stay up a little bit higher than normal. It's going to take off. That nice scale look up high in the clouds. This airplane is so awesome. Flying the V900, screaming around. He was flying it a little bit ago. It's definitely not what you would call a virgin airplane. It has some tape on it, but still screaming. My timer's counting down, telling me it's time to look at that landing gear. So we'll get that gear coming down. Nice and scale. Looks really good. So we'll bring it back down to the left end for the landing. We're gonna land from left to right. We'll go full flaps, keeping it in the throttle just a little bit as we approach. There we go. Cut the throttle to let it sink. There we go. That's how you bring it down. Turn those flaps off when you taxi it back. That way the wind from the prop isn't trying to lift it. And none too early because I'm starting to feel raindrops. So the P-47 by FMS did great again today. Super happy with this airplane, and the Lord blessed me with a pretty nice day. They're calling for rain all day, and we've gotten 2 or 3 flights in, and I plan on getting one more if this rain holds off just a little bit. Thank you guys for all your support. If you guys haven't done it yet, make sure you subscribe. And until next time, I'm Grandpa Gary, and I just got here.